1. Our state is an agriculturally potential one and it caters to the needs of population of half of the country. However, our farmers are not able to get remunerative prices to their agricultural produce. During the last few years, weather conditions are favorable for agricultural production in a large scale. In fact, last year, our state stood first in the country in regard to agricultural production. But on the other hand, the farmers could not get minimum support price for their produce. As such, this year, farmers declared crop holiday in many parts of our state. As President of the AP Farmers Federation, write letter to the government requesting to declare minimum support price well before the agricultural season begins. 2. Your colony is located in a prime area in Hyderabad having nearly 100 families. The association celebrates every year national festivals in the site earmarked for park which is not yet developed by the Hyderabad Metropolitan Development Authority as agreed upon while giving approval for the layout of the colony. As the valuable land in park remain vacant, land grabbers try to grab it and our association approaches the police every time to safeguard the land. Had the site is developed, this menace could have been averted. Number of representations fell on deaf ear. As president of the association, write a letter to the authority requesting to immediately release the funds and develop the park at the earliest. 3. Yours is an engineering college established 5 years ago at Ibrahimpatnam, Rangareddy district, nearly 30 kilometers away from the twin cities. The strength of the college is approximately 2,000 in all branches. The students come to the college from different parts of the city by using different modes of transport. As teenagers, while they come to college by vehicles with abnormal speed, they meet accidents and succumb injuries. Keeping all these facts in view, as chairman of the college, write a letter to the managing director, State Road Transport Corporation, requesting to provide a bus in the morning and evening trips exclusively for the college and indicate that the required amount will be paid every month in advance. 4. The Senior Divisional Mechanical Engineer, South Central Railway, Secunderabad Division, for and on behalf of President of India, invites sealed tender from experienced and capable tenderers for linen distribution in coaches of trains originating from Secunderabad for a period of 2 years. The earnest money deposit is Rs 5,000 and the tender documents will be available at the Divisional Railway Manager's Office, Rail Bhavan, Secunderabad for Rs 100 during working days. If tender documents are downloaded from the website, the cost shall have to be deposited separately along with the bid. The last date for submitting duly filled in tender forms is 10 days from the date of issue of the notice. Draft tender notice mentioning terms and conditions. 5. The Andhra Pradesh Administrative Tribunal, Hyderabad, issued a notification seeking applications from the eligible candidates for the posts of Court Master and Personal Assistants to Honorable Chairman, Vice Chairman, Registrar and members which are gazetted rank in the Judicial Department. Besides the regular pay, other special allowances admissible will be paid. Candidates should have passed a degree and English shorthand high speed recognized by the Andhra Pradesh State Board of Technical Education. Candidates with law qualification will be given preference. Serving employees have to send their applications through proper channel with no objection certificate issued by their respective parent departments. The eligible candidates will be called for written test and interview. No travelling and dearness allowance will be paid. Draft advertisement.